What is up, guys? Fucking BMX here. Today I got the great idea to go riding in the rain on my BMX. So that's what I'm gonna do. Dumbest idea I've had in a long time. Because I don't care what the people say. Is my phone on? Yep, my phone is on. It's easy to tell it's raining because you see all the water. It's really hard to charge my camera, so I never know how long these videos are going to end up being. Sometimes it depends on how long I'm biking for. Rarely, though. And my camera is built onto a helmet, so it's a waterproof one also. I'm most likely the only idiot out of all my friends to go biking in the rain. I am so stupid for deciding to do this, but I do not care. You guys do like the intro, though. It's a good one. I've worked on it for a while. Actually, it only took me 3 minutes. Well, I'm wearing shorts, but at least I'm wearing a sweater. I'm not too cold, but I'm cold. It's hard to make sure the helmet's recording also, because it's hard to see the flashing light in day. All my content here is child friendly. Let me repeat that, child friendly. To get in contact with me, or to send me some, emails of new intros and stuff, you send it to this email, Falcon BMX, okay, there's no spaces, 78@gmail.com. Has to be at the Gmail. If it's not at Gmail, not working. I've gone pretty far from my house. And I do not know how to end the recording. And I can't, go to the BMX park or anything. It's raining, so it'd be closed. Well, it wouldn't be closed. It's just a stupid idea to go there because it's a pretty flat surface. Gone pretty far from my home. Goodness. Where I start off the video, that's where I live. Look how far I've made it already. Docks are flooding up, which isn't good. That's just straight up bad. You know, if it wasn't raining, I was going to call my friends, see if they want to come BMXing too, which it would probably only be Nugs, aka Reese. My name is Jackson, by the way. G-Jackson. Said that in a weird way. Hold on. I'm gonna get that dumb idea to do this. Go on the road. Because I know a longer way back home. And I feel like taking the longer way to see if I can survive it. So, yeah. No, let's not turn right this time, let's turn left. I also brought my phone along with me. Just in case. Oh, that's a big wind right there. Big wind, big wind, big wind, like bad big wind. I have to freeze my hair off, my legs off. This rain is just sick. Oh, sorry. The rain is just suka. If you're Russian, then it's child friendly for you. Dad and me, shum. La la la. I took the long way, aka the pointless way. My school is actually just around this corner. And here's the school. Oh, I can't imagine what traffic is going through right now. But I heard by Monday, the rain should be gone. So, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. There's even rain on my legs. Cannot wipe that off. There's people all at the rock. What were they? You know what? I think I'm more of the idiot because I'm biking. They're just standing on a rock. In shorts. Oh, they must have thought it was going to be a good day today. As you can see, I'm heading back home now. It's because I wore my gloves, so my hands are dry. This shitty weather. I'm getting a dirt bike soon, so I'm gonna just, strap a GoPro to my helmet Yeah, and then I'm going to do dirt biking also. So, as you guys will know, this isn't just BMX. It's also going to be some dirt biking and some mountain biking. Maybe some vlogs there and then. Which is going to be rarely. It's going to be a lot of dirt biking though. And there's going to be a lot of my BMXing. Oh, there's one thing this channel hasn't seen yet. It's my ramp. I have a ramp. Pretty sick one too. Yeah, the ramp is pretty cool. I'll be riding that. I used to take the ramp out every day. My friend lives across the street. We'd be chilling. That's what. Sometimes I call him Bullet, even though he is a mountain bike and a crappy BMX. I'm gonna get home and game. Streets are just empty. There's literally no car in sight besides parked ones. Oh, yeah, jinxed it, jinxed it. Look at that, look at that. There's a car. But I'm heading home. Once I get back to my garage, I will just leave you guys off, you know, so you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We'll make an outro, so happy everyone. There's one of the cars. It's gone. Peace out, you guys.